Hey lovely people, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to make a beautiful crochet earrings. So this is basically a scrap yarn project. We can make use of the remaining yarns and then create a beautiful earring out of it. So this is how the back of the earring looks, and these earrings are totally lightweight earrings and they are washable, and they are not allergic to any skin as well if you use cotton yarn in particular. They are very pretty actually. They can make as many as you want to match your outfits, or you can make to gift your loved ones for the birthdays or anniversaries. So now let's see the materials we need. We need two different color yarn and a crochet hook of size 3 mm. We also need the earring hoops and the loops and some scissors as well to finish off the project. So first take the white yarn and make a magic ring. Make chain 1 to secure the yarn. Now we have to make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. So once you're done with 6 single crochet, make a slip stitch into the very first chain of this round and trim the yarn leaving about 2 to 3 inches. So meanwhile pull the tail yarn to shrink the size of the circle. Now let's cut this working loop. The inner circle is complete. So let's take the second color. Here I'm gonna use the green color. Insert the hook into any of the stitch other than the closing stitch which we lastly worked on. Yeah, so maybe 2 or 3 stitches before that ending stitch. Now grab the yarn and make a chain. So pull the tail end of the green yarn tightly. This secures the yarn. Then make a chain 2 and 2 single crochet into the next chain space. So we can actually hide the tail ends at the back of this circle so that we don't have to weave in the loose ends later point in time. So now make chain 2 and insert the hook into the next chain space. So we just completed one petal here. We're gonna make 5 more petals. So for the next petal make chain 2 and make 2 daisy in the next chain space. And this is our second daisy. Then make chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the next chain space. So 2 petals have been completed now. Let's work on the third petal in the same manner. So 2 chains and 2 DC into the next chain space. Chain 2 and 1 slip stitch into the next chain space. So repeat this pattern for 3 more times to complete this round. So we are working on the last petal here. So once the last slip stitch is made, find an adjacent loop on the flip side and make another slip stitch there, and now make chain 1 and pull up the loop, then cut the yarn, leaving about an inch or 2 inches. Now we're gonna work on adding these loose ends on the flip side. So for that I'm gonna use the crochet hook itself, but if you're gonna use a darning needle, then I would suggest you to leave about 5 to 6 inches long of the tail end, so that it'll be easy for you to weave in the loose ends. I prefer this method though, it's very easy for me and convenient. So here we have completed the flower, and let's attach a earring hook to it. So our cute crochet earrings are ready. You can make it with any color combinations. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys found it useful. Please hit the subscribe and like button to show some support, and share it with your family and friends if you really like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.